Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vaibhav Kubal. I am a respiratory physician here at Holy Family Hospital. This week we heard a very tragic news of some children losing their life in the northern states of India. Their death was linked with use of certain cough syrups. Now that becomes a very shocking news as cough syrups are something which everyone finds in their households, in their medical boxes, and on top of it you really do not need a medical prescription to get a cough syrup. Here are some quick points that you should be thinking even before you take a cough syrup. A. All coughs need not need a cough syrup. The common cause of cough is flu, which is a common flu as we normally say, and this flu is a self-limiting disease. You may cough for 2-3 days and over a period of time you might recover. What you really need is some home remedies, some warm water, maybe honey, or whatever you feel is your recipe for your cough. Just soothe your throat and you will be fine. Second, not all cough syrups are the same. Most of the times cough syrup are combination of 2 to 3 medicines in one bottle. It's very important for us to understand what type of cough you have and what type of medicines you need. So it is better to consult someone before you use these cough syrups. And if you are an adult, then actually you do not need cough syrups. These medicines are also available in the tablet form. So it is better to take tablets. Cough syrups usually are for patients who cannot swallow tablets. So I think that's some important information that I wanted to share. If there is a cough which is not settling with your home remedies and with some preliminary treatments, I would better advise you consult doctors at Holy Family, chest physicians at Holy Family, and we are happy to serve you here. Thank you.